take this 10mm bolt out here and one on the other side as well. And there's all these trim clips. You need to pull these all out, all over. Use a trim tool. Just pop the center part out and then pull the rest out. Sometimes if you take 2 screwdrivers, get in here like this, and just work it out. A lot of times these break, so you may have to replace them. Pull that cover off and take these 2 trim clips out. Oh, those broke. Push the center down and then pull out the clip. Do the same on this one. Pull out the clip. I'm gonna have to replace those. You need to remove these trim clips. There should have been one right there. And use the trim tool. Pull those all out. And on each side, take these 10mm bolts out. Just use a 10mm socket. And that one's broken. And just do the same for the other side. All right, just peel this back and disconnect the connector for the fog light. There is a little lock tab. You just gotta pull the lock tab up and slide the connector out. Do the same on the other side. We removed the wheel, but you don't have to remove the wheel. You can turn it to the side. I'm gonna take this push pin out right here and this one out right here. Now we can peel back this inner fender well a little bit. And we want to access that bolt right there. Use a 10mm socket. Take that out. Just like that. Do the same on the other side. And then just grab this panel and just pull. Just like that. And then the whole bumper cover should slide right up. I'm going to take this bolt out right here, use a 10mm socket, and one up here, and one up here. Grab the light assembly, and up top, it's a little retainer right there where it's just held in, and then there's a clip over here. Just slide it to the side, pull it out a little bit. And disconnect the connector, pull the light assembly right out. All right, now we're gonna install some new light bulbs. Remove this one. I'm gonna take a 194 bulb, just slide it in position, and then lock it in place. Remove this cover, install a H11 bulb, and lock it in place, and then I want to connect the connector right here. And lock it in place. That's good. Move the wires and put the cover back on. This is for the high beam. Find the wire. This is a H9 bulb. Just line it up, lock it in place, and then connect the connector. And snap it in place. There we go. And this last one. Pull the socket out and install this bulb. This is a WY28 bulb. Lock it in place, line the socket up, and twist it in. All right, let's connect the connector, line that up, lock it in place, and then if you have to swivel this a certain way, sometimes if you're struggling to get this in, just take that bolt out, and then you can put this attached to the body first. Line this up top. Get the bolts lined up. Get all the bolts started first. All right, tighten these up. All right, now take this bumper cover, Just slide it in position. And get the sides in. Make sure it lines up. And pull back on the inner fender well. You want to make sure you tuck it in after, but get this screw started, or bolt. Snug it up. And just tuck this in. Inside. And that goes on the outside, just like that. Put these push pins back in. Make sure before you put these bolts in, you reconnect the fog light. Just grab the connector and line it up. Put these bolts in underneath here. That one as well. Tighten these up. And line the push pins up. Reinstall those. And put a push pin right here. And one on the other side. Okay. Put this trim piece back in. And put all the push pins back in. And put this bolt in. Tighten it down. Do the same on the other side. To adjust the headlight, you can access the adjuster right here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Turn it to the right or turn it to the left.
This is going to be a general tutorial on how to aim your brand new TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, so looking at your brand new TRQ headlamp assembly, you're going to see where your low beam is, and you'll see a little dot right in the center. And that is the access point, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to mark that with an erasable marker, just so it's easier to see. Next, what we need to do is measure from the level ground up to this point and take note of that measurement. Now we're just going to pull the car up to our wall. On our vehicle, we remember that the measurement was 28 inches for our access point. Your vehicle may be different, but that's where I'm going to put this tape, just above that 28 inches. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, so let's just back the vehicle up, straight back 25 feet from the wall. And now that we moved our vehicle 25 feet back from the wall, we're going to start with our measurement here. That's where the headlamp center is. We're going to go down 4 inches on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we have our line here. What we need to do is go down 2 inches. To adjust the driver's side, we're going to cover our passenger side headlamp. If you look at the back side of your headlamp assembly, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the adjustment. Some of these headlight assemblies have 1, 2, or even more of them, but you should at least have one. This is how we're going to adjust the headlight beam. Now we're going to lower the top part of the beam down to just below this line. When you turn the adjustment to the right, it brings the beam up, and if you turn it to the left, it'll bring the headlight beam down. And this is this way on most vehicles. Let's continue on to doing the passenger side. All right, we properly aligned our TRQ headlamp assemblies. Okay, and on the quality TRQ headlamps for a pickup truck, the procedure is going to be the same. You're going to find your center dot, mark it, and then you'll measure from the level ground up to your dot. So once your headlamps are properly adjusted, it'll be time to adjust your fog lamps. You'll notice on the driver's side, the focal point is all the way at the bottom right now. I would like to bring it up so it meets up with approximately the bottom of the focal point of the headlight. Some fog lamps have an adjuster, others don't. The ones that do have an adjuster, you would just turn the adjustment to the left or to the right to adjust the beam up and down to where it needs to be. Now with your TRQ headlamps and fog lamps properly aligned, you can drive down the road safely.